Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language on the Detroit Become Human game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Detroit Become Human on your device, and after you are taken into the home page, if you wish to change the audio language within your game, go ahead and click on Options. Then from the Options page, you can find Languages at the middle. Click on this tab, and now the audio language menu is right at the beginning. You can scroll up and down to cycle through the various different languages that are available. Once you have chosen your desired language, you can just go back by pressing the Escape button, and you will be asked whether you would like to keep your changes. Click on the Yes button, and now your chosen audio language has been applied. You can continue to play your game or start a new story, and your audio language will be used. If you wish to change this at any point of time, you may once again go back to Options. Then from the Languages tab, you can change your audio language once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio language on the Detroit Become Human game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.